The divine masculine who swears you are the only one he cares about, yet lies, hide, and entertain cozy friendship. He's out there being cozy with other girls, smiling, hiding little things, acting like, oh no, they are just friends. They don't matter. Then, why the hell do they feel the need to hide it? If it's not a big deal, divine masculine, why block? Why lie? That mask Spirit is ripping off right now, and his words are not matching his action, even for himself. God is messing with them for real. Call it karma if you want to. This divine masculine is obsessed with testing her. He thinks he's proving his control by watching how much she'll tolerate. Silent treatment? That's not growth, that's punishment from his side to his divine feminine for not letting his ego win over her. Excuses replaying until they sound true, even to himself, as he tries to sound mature, but isn't. That isn't growth, that's manipulation. Spirit says, trust your vibration, not his words. Divine feminine is not blind. She feels the truth in her bones. This divine feminine sees beyond his mask. She is being shown not to accept half truth. She is the dream girl, the mirror, the magnet, but she is not here to tolerate crumbs disguised as loyalty. She will drain by half truth. She has been guided to step into sovereignty. You don't need to chase answers. His action already shows you everything. His words don't match his action, and you have been patient. You have been giving. You have been saying maybe trust will build over time, but from now, Spirit says no more. Divine feminine look into the eyes. She sees the flicker, that micro hesitation, the lack of depth, that hunger to be admired instead of being truly connected to her. He doesn't want partnership. He wants to be worshipped. He wants divine feminine to keep pouring, keep validating, keep chasing, while he gives breadcrumbs dressed as efforts. That's why Spirit made you notice the mismatch. If his words were real, you would feel it in his gaze, in his respect, in his action. This is why Divine Feminine is stoned. She senses the love bombing and the illusion, but also the emptiness behind it. Spirit is basically saying, do not doubt what your soul already sees. And the truth is here. Divine Feminine doesn't need to compete because deep down he knows none of that matches the aura he feels when he stands next to her. Divine Feminine, you have always been activation center for him. You walk in the room and his aura weakens. He knows he can't measure up, and instead of rising, he hides. He hopes you won't notice, but you always notice. Here is your activation code, Divine Feminine.